Hello and welcome back to Reefer Post. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a pipe out of an apple. So an apple pipe is great for when you're out and about, you don't have anything to smoke with but you got some bud on you and you just want to have a quick smoke. Maybe you're at a party, somebody brought some weed, you got nothing to smoke out of, you look in the fridge, there's an apple, and really that's all you need. So the first thing you're going to want to do, it's very easy by the way, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pull out the stem right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so once you pull out the stem, it should look like that. You just have the stem, you don't need that anymore. Now you're going to want to get something to poke some holes through it. You can use a toothpick, you can use a pin, you can use a nail, anything that is short and not too thick. Here I have some nails. I have one a little bit thicker than the other. I suggest getting two. You could also do it with one though, but it'll be a little bit easier with two, and you'll see why here in a minute. We're going to poke a couple holes in. We're going to poke a mouthpiece, a bowl, and a carb. The carb is optional. You don't necessarily need a carb, but I suggest it. So the first hole you're going to make, now I'm going to do the method with the carb. It's easy. Is what you're going to do. So this is going to act as your bowl right here, where you're going to put the weed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is kind of towards the top, not really the middle, but more up, about right here. You're going to drill a hole from here all the way through. So let me go ahead and do that. Pretty deep in there. As you can see, it's poking out right there. Go ahead and see if I can do this with one hand. Come on. Pull that out. And then I'm going to run it through the other side over here. You can't even really see the hole. I'm going to run it through the other side so that hole is nice and open. You don't want it too open, but you want it to be nice and clear. Good thickness. Look, I already lost it. There it is. That's a good size hole. Just make sure that it's even all the way through. Yeah, you can kind of see through there. You don't really need to see through there. I would just put your mouth on it, blow through it, get a little bit of the excess apple out of the hole, and then as long as air is passing through there, you're good to go. Just wipe off the rest. You're gonna have this. Make sure you have something to wipe your nails off with, especially if you're gonna use them later. So yeah, that's the hardest part really, is making the carb and the mouthpiece. That's what you just did right now. Oh my goodness, come on. All right, so choose which one you want to be the carb and the mouthpiece. It really doesn't matter. Now all you need to do is connect the bowl to that hole. So what you're going to do is get the smaller nail, and you're just going to poke it down like that until you hear it hit the hole. And you can check it if you look in there. You see that dark spot? That's the nail right there. So I'm just going to push it down a little bit more. Get that situated in there. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah. There it is, going right through the hole, as you can see. I'll take it out. Oh man, I can do this with one hand. There it is. Alright. And it's no longer going to be there. Bam. So now the bowl is connected to the holes, and you can test this out by sucking through here, covering the carb with your finger, and as long as air is still flowing, it'll be coming from the bowl, and your apple pipe is all good to go. Like I said, use this on the go. It's not really good to keep because, as you know, apples go bad. So, yeah, that's how to make an apple pipe. Just pack your bowl here, light it up, use one of these holes as a mouthpiece and the other one as a carb. Sit there and use it like a pipe. And shoot, when you're done, you get the munchies. You got yourself a little snack as well. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped out when you're on the go. Want to use a quick little pipe, get a quick little session. Thank you guys for watching, and check out some more Reefer Post. Thanks.